Journey makes better memories than the destination. 22 million people travel on trains every day in India. It means that Indian Railways carry more people every day than the population of 177 countries. Every journey is an adventure in its own way, but these extreme train routes around the globe literally keep you on the heels. The Death Railway of Thailand. The Burma-Siam Railway is 415-kilometer railway line which connects Thailand to Burma. When the train passed from a narrow line looking at a fosse on one hand while covered in the blanket of a wall of a mountain on the other, the beautiful scenery takes your breath away. Quite literally, what makes this route even more deadly is its past. This was made by Japan during the Second World War in 1943. Another addition from Burma, this railway route is marked by an unnerving yet strong crystal-styled bridge in Nuang Kyo or Myanmar. For technology in the late 19th century, it is a remarkable structure on its own. It stretches for 689 meters and stands at around 250 meters high above the river underneath. The massive structure is put together with 15 towers spanning 12 meters along with a double tower spanning 24 meters. Ferrocarril Central Andino of Peru. The country of Peru in itself is a sight to savor for its ancient ruins and natural diversity. However, it makes to it this list for a completely different reason, which is the unique Ferrocarril Central Andino railway route. Crossing the second highest railroad tunnel in the world, this route starting from the port city of Calalo goes parallel to the river Rimac. What is actually spectacular in this route is the frightening series of tall steel bridges in between the mountains laid throughout this route. Pilatus Railway of Switzerland. The steepest cogwheel railway in the world gives a sight to behold when it passes through alpine meadows and rocky hills of Switzerland. Situated at an altitude of 2073 meters, the line runs from Alpnachstad to the Pilatus Kulm. Running safely for over 120 years, this is a train with a death wish. Pamban Bridge of India. This is actually a ride wearing hard on your sleeve to reach the land of God in southern India. Being the only surface connection to Rameshwaram until a few decades ago, this bridge has its own stories to tell. Standing in the Park Strait connecting India and Sri Lanka, the bridge took 14 years to complete. Fighting the mighty waves of the Indian Ocean, this bridge stands in the second most corrosive, cyclone-prone environment. What makes it a view to behold is its double-leaf bascule section, which means that the bridge literally rises from the middle to let the ships pass through. Jelva Funicular of Switzerland. Another entry on the list from Switzerland, Jelmehebem Funicular is a real-time roller coaster ride. It links the lower terminus in the Aar River Valley to an upper terminus located by Jelmersi Lake. Originally built to assist the construction of a reservoir lake, Jelmersi. It is only operational from June to October in daylight hours to avoid any mishap. Stoßbahn of Switzerland. Looks like Swiss public has a knack for adventure in their blood. Another funicular from Switzerland, this is the steepest funicular in the whole world. So much so that it has rolling drum-like carriages to maintain a level floor surface for the passengers. The railway line connects 3 Swiss states to the mountain resort of Stoos. Katoomba Scenic World of Australia. About 100 km west of Sydney, it is often disputed with Stoßbahn to be the steepest railway in the world with a gradient of 122%. The straightest incline goes up to 52 degrees on this route. Like Jelmer, Katoomba's original purpose was different as well. It was supposed to assist in coal and shell mining operations in the valley in the 19th century. It has now fully converted into providing an adrenaline-filled commercial package. Void Pass and Yukon route of Alaska. A marvel of engineering, this pass stands despite the extreme weather conditions and challenging geographical scenario faced by thousands of construction workers. In its extremities, it has all the parts of adventure from mountains, glaciers, gorges, waterfalls and tunnels. This route makes you gain the height of around 3,000 feet in a journey of just 20 miles from the port of Skagway in Alaska to Whitehorse in Yukon. Napier-Gisborne Railway of New Zealand. Like a scene from some Jason Statham movie, the track from this route gets through a runway at the Gisborne airport. Like airplanes, trains on these tracks have to get clearance from the ATC at the Gisborne airport. The route goes from Rotorua to Auckland and Napier. Its construction began in 1872 but could only be completed in 1942. That's it for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.